In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Clickfunnels. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Clickfunnels workspace talking directly to your Mailchimp account, so your leads can flow straight into your email marketing without any manual exporting or importing. Let's start right inside your Clickfunnels dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click that. Think of Workspace Settings as the control center for everything that affects your overall account, not just a single funnel. This is where you manage things like integrations, domains, and other global configurations, so connecting Mailchimp here ensures it's available across your funnels. After you've opened Workspace Settings, a new menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option called Integrations. Click on Integrations to open the page where all of your third-party tools and apps are managed. This is the section that allows Clickfunnels to communicate safely and securely with services like your email provider, webinar platforms, and more. Once you're on the integrations page, you'll see a list of supported third-party applications. Scroll through that list until you find Mailchimp. It may be organized alphabetically, so you can scan down to the M section to find it a bit faster. When you see Mailchimp, click on it to start setting up the connection. Choosing Mailchimp here tells Clickfunnels, "This is the email service I want to connect to my workspace." Now you'll be prompted to authorize Clickfunnels to access your Mailchimp account. A new window or tab may open, asking you to log into Mailchimp if you're not already signed in. Carefully enter your Mailchimp login details and continue. This step is important because it lets Mailchimp verify that you are the account owner and that you actually want Clickfunnels to connect. After logging in, follow the authorization prompts on the screen. You'll usually see a confirmation page summarizing what permissions you're granting, such as the ability for Clickfunnels to add or update contacts in your Mailchimp audience. Review that information, and when you're comfortable, click the button to allow or authorize the connection. Once you confirm, you'll be redirected back to Clickfunnels, and your Mailchimp integration will be active and ready to use across your funnels.